Want to burn fat and lose weight in just 10 minutes at home? This quick, no-equipment workout will help you burn calories, boost your metabolism, and target belly fat. Stay with me until the end for the most powerful fat-burning exercises. Let's start. Exercise 1, jumping jacks. Let's begin the workout with a classic warm-up movement, jumping jacks. This exercise is perfect for getting your body moving and preparing your muscles for the rest of the workout. It helps increase your heart rate quickly and starts the fat-burning process right away. Stand tall with your feet together and your arms resting at your sides. Now jump your feet outward while raising your arms above your head. As you jump back to the starting position, bring your arms back down to your sides. Continue repeating this movement in a smooth and steady rhythm. Try to keep your movements light and controlled while landing softly on your feet. Jumping jacks are a great full-body exercise. They activate your legs, shoulders, and core while also improving your cardiovascular endurance. Because they keep your entire body moving, they help burn calories quickly and prepare your muscles for more challenging exercises later in the workout. If you are a beginner, you can perform a modified version by stepping one foot out at a time instead of jumping. If you want to increase the intensity, try moving faster and raising your arms fully above your head. Stay relaxed, breathe steadily, and keep moving. This first exercise helps warm up your body and get you ready for the rest of the fat-burning workout. Exercise 2, high knees. Now let's move into high knees, an excellent cardio exercise that helps burn calories and boost your metabolism. Stand straight with your feet about hip-width apart. Begin jogging in place while lifting your knees as high as possible toward your chest. At the same time, pump your arms just like you would while running. The goal of this exercise is to keep your movement quick and energetic. High knees increase your heart rate rapidly, which helps your body burn more calories in a short period of time. As you perform this exercise, try to keep your back straight and your core engaged. This helps stabilize your body and ensures that the exercise works your abdominal muscles as well. If you are just starting out, you can slow down the movement and lift your knees one at a time while marching in place. If you want a greater challenge, increase your speed and try to keep your knees lifting as high as possible. High knees are also great for improving coordination and strengthening your lower body muscles. You should start to feel your heart pumping faster and your body warming up even more. Keep pushing and stay focused. This exercise is helping your body burn fat and build endurance at the same time. You're doing great. Let's keep going. Exercise 3, body weight squats. Now we move on to body weight squats, one of the most effective exercises for strengthening the lower body and burning fat. Start by standing with your feet about shoulder width apart. Keep your chest lifted, your back straight, and your core engaged. Slowly bend your knees and push your hips backward, as if you are about to sit in a chair. Lower your body until your thighs are almost parallel to the floor, then push through your heels to stand back up. Squats work some of the largest muscles in your body, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Because these muscles require a lot of energy to move, squats help burn a significant number of calories during the workout. Focus on maintaining proper form throughout the movement. Make sure your knees stay aligned with your toes and avoid letting them move too far forward. If you want to make the exercise easier, perform a half squat instead of lowering all the way down. To increase the challenge, try slowing down the movement and holding the bottom position for a second before standing back up. Stay steady and keep breathing. Your legs may start to feel the burn, but that's a sign your muscles are working hard. Great job. Let's move to the next exercise. Exercise 4, mountain climbers. Next up are mountain climbers, a powerful exercise that combines cardio and core training. Begin in a plank position with your hands placed directly under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from your head to your heels. Now bring one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs almost like you're running while holding the plank position. This exercise works multiple muscle groups at the same time. Your core stabilizes your body while your legs move quickly and your shoulders support your upper body. Because of this full body engagement, mountain climbers are excellent for burning calories and increasing endurance. Try to keep your hips stable and avoid letting them bounce too much. Keep your core tight and your movements controlled. If you're a beginner, you can slow the pace and step your feet forward one at a time. If you want to make the exercise more challenging, increase the speed and keep your knees moving quickly. Keep breathing and stay focused. This exercise helps your body burn fat while strengthening your core muscles. You're doing amazing. Keep pushing. Exercise 5. Lunges. Now let's work on the legs and glutes with lunges. Stand tall with your feet together and your shoulders relaxed. Step forward with one leg and slowly lower your body until both knees form about a 90-degree angle. Your front knee should stay above your ankle while your back knee moves toward the floor. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position and repeat with the other leg. Lunges are excellent for strengthening your lower body while also improving balance and coordination. This movement targets your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, which are some of the strongest muscles in the body. Focus on keeping your chest up and your core engaged as you perform each repetition. If you want to make the exercise easier, take smaller steps forward. To make it more challenging, try holding the lunge position for a moment before pushing back up. Keep your movements controlled and steady. You should begin to feel the muscles in your legs working harder with each repetition. Stay strong and keep going. You're halfway through the workout. Exercise 6. Plank. Now it's time to strengthen your core with the plank. Place your forearms on the floor and extend your legs behind you. Your elbows should be directly under your shoulders, and your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Tighten your abdominal muscles and hold the position without letting your hips drop. The plank is one of the best exercises for building core strength because it engages multiple muscles at once, including the abdominals, lower back, shoulders, and legs. Focus on keeping your body steady and maintaining proper alignment throughout the exercise. If the full plank feels too difficult, you can place your knees on the floor while keeping your core engaged. For an added challenge, try tightening your core even more and holding the position as still as possible. Remember to breathe slowly and avoid holding your breath. Every second you hold this position helps strengthen your core and improve your stability. Stay strong, you're doing great. Exercise 7. Burpees. Now get ready for burpees, one of the most effective fat-burning exercises. Start standing upright. Bend your knees and place your hands on the floor, then jump your feet back into a plank position. If you're a beginner, step your feet back instead of jumping to make the movement easier. If you want a bigger challenge, try jumping higher when you return to the standing position. Focus on maintaining a steady rhythm and keep breathing. You may start to feel tired, but keep pushing through. This exercise burns a lot of calories and helps improve endurance. Stay strong and keep moving. Exercise 8. Russian twists. Next, we move to Russian twists, a great exercise for strengthening the core and targeting the abdominal muscles. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and your feet placed slightly in front of you. Lean your upper body slightly backward while keeping your back straight. Lift your feet slightly off the ground if you can. Now twist your torso to one side, then rotate to the other side in a controlled motion. Each twist activates your abdominal muscles, especially the obliques on the sides of your stomach. Move slowly and focus on control rather than speed. If keeping your feet off the floor feels too difficult, you can keep them on the ground while still performing the twisting motion. Your core muscles are working hard during this exercise. You're almost at the end of the workout, so keep giving your best effort. Great job. Exercise 9. Bicycle crunches. Now it's time to focus on the core with bicycle crunches. One of the best exercises for targeting the abdominal muscles and helping strengthen the entire core. Start by lying flat on your back on the floor. Place your hands lightly behind your head and lift your shoulders slightly off the ground. Bring your knees up so that your legs are bent at about a 90-degree angle. Now begin the movement by bringing your right elbow toward your left knee while extending your right leg straight out. This twisting motion activates the oblique muscles on the sides of your abdomen and makes the exercise more effective. Move slowly and with control so your abdominal muscles stay engaged the entire time. If the movement feels difficult, you can slow down the pace and focus on proper form. You should feel your core muscles working with every repetition. Stay strong and keep pedaling. Your abs are getting stronger with every movement. Exercise 10. Crunches. For the final exercise of this workout, we're doing crunches, a classic core exercise that targets the abdominal muscles and helps strengthen your midsection. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands lightly behind your head or cross them over your chest. Now slowly lift your shoulders off the ground while tightening your abdominal muscles. Hold the position for a brief moment at the top, then slowly lower your shoulders back down. Remember that crunches are a small and controlled movement. You don't need to sit all the way up. If you want to make the exercise more challenging, try slowing down the movement and holding the top position for a second before lowering yourself back down. This final exercise helps finish the workout by fully engaging your core muscles. Stay focused and push through these last repetitions. You're almost done. Finish strong. If you completed this 10-minute fat-burning workout, you should feel proud of yourself. In just a short amount of time, you activated multiple muscle groups, increased your heart rate, and burned a good number of calories. Workouts like this are perfect for people who have busy schedules but still want to stay active and healthy. The key to seeing real results is consistency. Try to repeat this workout at least 4 to 5 times per week and combine it with a balanced diet and good hydration. Remember, fat loss doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and regular effort. But if you stay committed and keep moving your body every day, you will start to notice positive changes in your energy levels, strength, and overall fitness. If you enjoyed this workout and want more quick home workouts, fat-burning routines, and simple fitness tips, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, comment below and let me know what kind of workout you want next. Maybe a belly fat workout, a full body challenge, or a 7-day fat loss plan. Thank you so much for working out with me today. Keep pushing, stay consistent, and remember that every small step you take brings you closer to a healthier and stronger version of yourself. I'll see you in the next workout.